Hi, I'm Mark, the founder and CEO of Prodio. Thank you for signing up and starting the journey of improving your manufacturing business. We are really happy to have you here. Now, me and two of my colleagues from the support team will show you the basics of Prodio. Let's start with Bartek, who will walk you through the production schedule.
Production schedule is your virtual board designed to keep you and your workers on the same page. Everything you do here is instantly reflected in your workers' production plans, making it easy to manage and organize schedules using tiles. You will also get real-time updates, see who's working on what and which machines are in use. Your workers will always know what's happening on the shop floor, staying up to date with production through a simple work registration process. And there is more. From the shop floor view, your workers can clock into work, clock out of it, and lock their breaks. Thanks to this powerful tool, you will manage the productivity gaps and tackle attendance of your workers.
All the data collected from the production plan goes to the Work History tab, which gives you detailed information about when your workers started and finished tasks, how long they worked, and their productivity and efficiency. The Clock In, Clock Out tab works in a similar way, but it allows you access to work cards and monthly summary. Now, Marek will explain in more details how you can utilize this data.
Let's dive into Orders tab, your command center for managing customer orders. As the name suggests, here you can easily plan, add, and organize orders. In one place, you will find all the key details about your customer requirements and products parameters. You can also attach files, upload photos, and review the full order history. Once planned, orders will automatically appear on your production plan and shop floor view. More importantly, you will always stay in control. This tab shows the current status of each order and operation in real time. Plus, it automatically tracks execution time and cost for each item. You could also manage raw material demand and monitor the usage right here. But speaking of inventory, Bartek is our expert.
In stock levels, you will have a clear overview of all your materials. You will see how much is currently in stock, what's demanded for production, and even what's already been ordered from suppliers. Plus, you have full control wherever it's stock receipts, transfers, releases, or making adjustments to your inventory levels. Everything is simple, efficient, and keeps your workflow running smoothly.
And the best part, you're not alone. You could always reach us through the chat in the bottom right of the screen or just call us. Remember, we are here to make your production better.